testing.
Where's me on the thing? There it is.
Oh. No.
You on?
Yeah, I'm good.
What now?
Yeah, right now.
Well, come along everyone. This is the one they've all been waiting for. It's the onlinemagnets.co.uk 2019 World Magnet Fishing Championship. We've got the 3 best magnet fishermen in the world. We've got the original gangster, you've got James. You've got the 2018 World Champion, Sea Dog, it's Callum. You've got the 2017 World Champion, Uncle Ian. This is what we're playing for, the trophy. And as an added incentive this year, our sponsors, onlinemagnets.co.uk, have supplied us with a mystery prize for the winner. Let's magnet fish. The rules are then, it's 20 throws each. Whoever's got the best finds at the end of the 20 throws will be declared the winner. Last year's champion, 2018, Callum, has got the honour of going first. Come on, Callum.
Nothing.
2017's winner then, Uncle Ian, already in the water. Any finds? Something there?
Not sure what that is.
No idea, but it's a
No
find.
idea.
Anybody knows? Comment down below. 19 throws to go for him.
Yes.
My first throw then, we've got Beef on camera today. He will also be judging it. Here we go then. Put it in my ear. I'm feeling lucky. Ian, are you on my rope again?
No. Didn't Beef use that, man?
Yeah, Beef had it, man. It's a blank. Rubbish. Just doing a drag now because I don't want to waste my throws. And I've wasted my throw. No. Bottle top. Oh, Callum!
Hey. It's a lock key. Oh. It's a lock key, yes. How's a handle? A plastic hand. Yes! Guess who's in the lead?
Plastic handle. That's got to be enough to take an early lead for the reigning champion, isn't it? Well done, Callum. Put it on your pile. Look at that. Callum with a lock key in the World Championships. Sponsored by onlinemagnets.co.uk. Also on Facebook.
Nothing yet, just a lock key. Not looking good. No. Okay, I thought I got a magnet in. Oh, it stinks. This is my 4th throw, I believe. And yeah, a 4th throw.
Here we are then. Uncle Ian on the camera.
Yeah, a bit of decent camera quality coming up then. Bit of decent camera work.
Yeah.
Well, up to now, Callum's winning. I've found next to nothing. Ian?
I found a chain.
Little chain thing.
Little chain thing. Corned beef key and a penny.
Right. Line of the bridge, my favourite spot. Line of the bridge. Bubbles.
Good sign. Good sign, Bubbles.
Oh, big bubble. Oh. Big like the leaves, isn't it? Look? No weight on it. No weight.
No.
No.
Nothing.
No. Fill me for another one here. Fill
Yeah.
me for another one. Let's see.
Another one.
Callum's come off his sick bed to come and play with us today. He's not very well.
Poor Callum.
Pretty fine.
Oh,
The action's over here.
you're fine so far.
No weight on it. Lots of bubbles though. Must just be the bottom stir. Nothing great. Shall I have another go, or do you want to have a go?
Have one more go.
One more go.
One more.
One more go. This is eating into my throat.
Plenty bubbles.
Bubbles, but nothing.
No.
No, rubbish. Uncle Ian, have a go then.
My turn.
My turn on the camera. James on the camera then. Uncle Ian on the magnet. The dream team. See that throw? See that magnet? Nothing on it. Come on, Ian, we can't let the boy beat us again. Come on. Lovely day, bit cold, but a nice sunny day. Oh,
Yeah.
no, just leaves.
Yeah.
Rubbish.
Not good, not good.
Rubbish, rubbish. You have days like this. It is a spot we've been to before as well.
A lot of people on the road as well.
Yeah, we're not the only ones magnet fished it either. We've been by and we've seen bits on the side. You normally find a few things though, even if someone's magnet fished it before.
Yeah.
Chains. Callum's stuck on the side again. Shut up.
James, go. Look how it's on
I'm ill.
Your rope's gone ever so thin, isn't it? You need to rope. No, it's metal sided. He's on a side, it's metal sided here, you dipstick.
How do you get told this?
You're supposed to look yourself.
Yay! Look at that. Pencil sharpener. Still a fine. Still a fine.
I'll just pull my magnet up then. This little stone stuck to it, look. Watch this. Look. Magnetic stone. I wonder if that's a meteorite. Anybody know about magnetic stones? Let us know. But you know, I've got some colour to it. Look at that.
What's that?
Ian, film Ian.
What's that? Is that it?
Oh!
Big fine!
Fine, Ian. What you got? Is it better than my magnetic stone?
Tampoo.
Tampoo, yeah. What's that? Is it a bridge sign? Is it a bridge sign?
What about me? The markings.
Ah,
It's a step.
that's a step, isn't it? We've found things like this before, haven't we? That's where it is in the masonry, isn't it? Normally in
Yeah.
the brickwork or...
Then that's your grip.
Yeah. That'll either be off the lock that's about 50 metres behind us, or that will have been off the bridge that was here before, probably, won't it?
Yep.
There you go, Uncle Ian with a big find.
Nice trophy. Big fan.
This is it then. Everybody's had 19 throws. We've got 1 throw each. We're all going to throw at the same time, and then Beef is going to judge who is the winner. I've got a twig. That rope's going in the bin next week anyway. I might as well just leave it on. Right, Callum. Right, so we know what you've got then.
I'm waiting for you to keep it alone.
Nothing. And you? Oh.
Just fill me in then, see what he's got. Oh, some on that. What is it?
Tin can.
A tin can, a crust tin.
Callum, here you go, you can have there. Might have been spinach one time, give you some muscles.
Hit by the sailor man. He lives in a caravan. Why don't you define that?
Use your arm. Use your arm,
Are
Callum.
you filming?
Yeah.
Agony. Nearer.
I can barely get all these the fin.
Wind, wait for the wind to drop. It's still cold. Yeah, it's all wet.
Not the first time.
We've each selected our best find of the day then. For me, it's that. Potential meteorite. Look at that, magnetic stone. No idea. Anybody knows about this sort of thing? Is that a meteorite? Callum, what's your best find of the day?
Mine is this yellow. You see it there? The yellow locket.
There's a lock key. Unclear. What's your best find?
Another sensible one, wearing the gloves. Thank you, Callum. mine is the step.
Ian's with a step. It's not been a brilliant day for magnet fishing,
No.
if we're honest with you.
No.
The onlinemagnets.co.uk World Magnet Fishing Championships. But Beef's on the camera. Beef, do you want to say the 3rd place?
James.
In which case, I'll take over filming. So, unfortunately then, for the 2nd year running, I've come 3rd in the onlinemagnets.co.uk World Magnet Fishing Championship, which means it's between the boy and the man. Beef is the judge. Beef, do you want to present the prestigious trophy to the winner? Who's won it?
Yeah.
Ian's won it! Oh, there's a look on his face! Well, that is a controversial decision. The champ has lost his crown. Unbelievable scenes.
Comment down below, we'll do vote.
Let's do Callum's comments. Callum, what's Callum's comments today?
Comment down below your vote who won.
Who should have won? Ian. And Callum, being last year's champion, do you want to present Ian with his prize as well?
I'm the trophy.
There we go. Oh, a handshake look. So all's well that ends well. And in our next video, Uncle Ian is going to do an unboxing video and show you exactly what he has won. Tune in next week, World War II Wendal, like and subscribe. We didn't find the best things today, but we've had a laugh like normal. See you next time. He's got it. Controversial.